Today I am taking out my month-old Beehive.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
It's been amazing. And I'm taking my hair out today because I get my hair braided tomorrow.
Damn!
Gonna spray her down. So I think that this is the actual starting point. This little thing here. So I do have a mirror in front of me, so I'm not like just being awkward. I am looking at myself in the mirror as I do it to make sure I don't cause too much damage. Go ahead and put some music in the background, but we'll see. I probably should have a rat tail comb, but I don't know where that's at right now. So this is gonna have to do. I guess we can reference this video for like a starting point of my hair journey to kind of get some background as to why I'm doing this protective style challenge. I moved somewhere where the Black population isn't really a thing. I was postpartum and I was like tired of doing my hair, and I was like, you know what, like I'm just gonna find someone to like blow dry it. I just wanted to like go to the salon and get someone else to like wash my hair and do it, because like I was so tired of like, you know, being a new mom and things like that. Anyway, so I went to a place here where I live at and I got my hair silk pressed. When I was getting it done, I wasn't thinking, I was just excited to be out the house. I remember like getting done and I was like, man, like this seems like it's so straight, like, and it's lasting through the humidity. I didn't wash it for about 3 weeks. I went to go wash it and then I was like, oh, it's not really reverting. I wet my hair, shampooed it and whatnot. Nothing really reverted back, and I was like, whatever, I'll just put some conditioner in it, and then when I finish showering, I'll come back and see where it's at. So needless to say, my whole shower, my hair was still straight, and I was like, what? Like it had some texture to it, but it was like straight. Like I don't know, like I had a relaxer, and I was like, what? Like, okay. And then it hit me. I thought back to the salon, and while I was at the salon and I was in the shampoo bowl getting a deep conditioner, I was like, oh, it smells like the undertone of a relaxer. And I was like, maybe someone's getting keratin or just something I wasn't familiar with. Mind you, I had been out of the salon world for years. But I'm like, okay, whatever. So I go to the salon and I'm like, hey, so like I came here a few weeks ago and I got this done, yada yada. Can you tell me like exactly like what that was? Like, because maybe it's a different understanding because my hair isn't reverting. And mind you, where I live at is predominantly Hispanic, so everyone mostly just speaks Spanish, and I understand enough to converse and know what I need. So she's like, oh yeah, like you got a keratin treatment. I was like, oh okay, like when does that wear off? She's like, oh, like in 2 months, she said. And I was like, oh, okay, that makes sense. So I don't know what happened, but I noticed, I'm like, hey, it's been longer than 2 months. Like, what? Am I tripping? So then I did like a mini chop, and I chopped my hair like right here to my shoulder, and I still had some dead ends though. So like I grew those out, which are still up here. You'll see it's like this much hair is dead. I need to cut off, but just haven't done it yet. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and probably get them trimmed tomorrow or cut tomorrow, and then get my braids done. But I'm debating if I want to actually trim it tomorrow or cut it tomorrow or not, because I don't want to deal with blunt ends with braids. And that's the story of what happened to my hair. I feel like usually, so I prefer the Beehive method when it comes to braid downs, because it's like one braid to unravel. Like I hate doing the ends of so many braids. I feel like it slows me down.
Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is running a million.
Am I even making progress? I feel like I'm in the same area. Let me see. Probably should. Give me a really good feeling all day long.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care.
It's so like grown out, I can't even see like my scalp is supposed to be here where the braids are at, and it's like way up here. You know what? I should measure that, right? I guess we'll just use this one because it's like the easiest. Or maybe, oh God, it's not loose enough. Yeah. All right. So my part, oh Lord, part is here, right here. So like, what is that, an inch? Right here, I guess. This is her. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I leave my all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I'm not seeing that much breakage on my shirt, so I'm assuming that it's because I kept my hair pretty moisturized.
Baby, I just wanna talk to you.
there's hair in my eye somewhere. I need to keep that. Okay, there we go. Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted you, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop.
One eternity later.
We are getting to the end. Yay.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't hear me up when you make. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. Why is this so funny?
Okay, area number 2.
You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Oh,
ciao. It's like right here, not long at all. And this. It looks okay, right? All right.
always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little.
Oh, I found a little patch of caught. I go ahead and pull all the way through. I have one side done. Time to do the other one.
Young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you my heart, for this can't be the first time. We my heart, for the still version of mine. I'm looking for some things that I've never. Somebody to love for the blue fire. How much you
I've lost in a month. That's not bad. That is not bad for a month. I'll take it. I'm on the way to, oh, okay, skin. I'm on the way to my hair appointments. I shampoo twice and I condition once with the conditioner, the tea tree conditioner. That went with the shampoo, and then I did a deep condition with the hair mayonnaise, and I just let that in while I like showered, like washed the rest of my body, and then I rinse it out. No, nothing else after that, because I don't want like anything I put in my hair to interfere with whatever she may be using. So I did stop the Chick-fil-A to get a parfait, and I have the baby some breakfast, so eat up. So fun fact, that is the border wall to Mexico. That's what it actually looks like. So yeah. I just got finished on getting my hair done, and they look really good. I'll show you my scalp and things later. So, good morning. This is the next day. I was gonna record like this video the same name, but your girl is tired, and I'm still tired. So let's take this down. This is what it's looking like. And my ends are like this. I think I'm gonna actually braid them all the way down, like to the end myself, just because like it's already not like bad, but it's already collecting and looking kind of rough. And it was in our bonnet all night, so we're gonna do that. I am gonna go ahead and oil my scalp, but just a little bit, not too much. I can't see anything, so I'm just like feeling around, hoping that I get oil somewhere. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna put them back up. I'm gonna see how long I can keep these in, and then honestly, I'll probably just get them redone, if we're being 100% honest, because I am on the year of protective styles to see my hair growth. So I don't want to do any heat outside of like having to blow dry it out for maybe braids, whatever, but I'm doing no heat, low manipulation styles, and basically just giving my hair a chance to like get a break because it's been through so much, especially between having a baby, it falling out, not having edges because of the baby, then going to the salon, getting it like chemically processed without knowing, and then just, you know, a lot. So if you want to join me on this journey here, the year of protective styling, let me know, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady, girl, you amaze me.